Hey, I'm Chris, head of AI at Lumen5. AI's capabilities have changed in the last few years. It has become very good at synthesizing content into something new. Generative models can create text, images, video, and audio. The possibilities feel endless. But creating good content with AI is about leveraging it to uplift your team. At Lumen5, for example, we help marketers reach a wider audience by transforming their content into video. This has impact on brand recognition, global organizational cohesion, and creates more content in revenue-driving channels. Proper implementation of AI can lead to improved ROI and efficiency. AI as a tool can reduce the technical skill gap, leveling up your team and leading to better business outcomes. While there are risks and limitations, the use of generative AI is becoming more prevalent across the board. Teams that stand out will be the ones who choose to use it wisely, focusing on high quality rather than high quantity of content.